We have 8 exercises ranging from 30 to 40 seconds. We're going to start with bird dog. Let's come onto our hands and knees, tighten our core. Then we're going to extend one arm and our opposite leg out, lower back down, then repeat on the other side. Now we're going to lay on our back with our knees bent and create a bridge, lifting our hips up toward the ceiling. Holding this position, we're going to add a march, bringing one knee in towards our chest at a time. Lowering our hips back down to the mat, we're going to do a leg hold. Raising our feet up with a slight bend in our knees, let's place our hands on our knees. Make sure our low back is nice and flat on the mat. Then we're going to create some resistance, pressing our knees against our hands. From here, we're going to move into single leg dead bugs. So stay in the same position. Let's bring our right hand to our left knee, making sure our back is nice and flat. Engage our core. Then we're going to extend our left arm and right leg down towards the mat and back up. Switching sides, left hand comes to our right knee, lowering our right arm and our left leg. Back over, coming into a plank position. With our core engaged, let's push back using one hand to tap our opposite ankle, then repeat on the other side. Now we're going to come into a side plank on our left side and just hold that position. Switch to our right side and hold. back onto our tummy, let's place our hands under our shoulders. Then we're going to press into our hands, raising our chest off the mat just enough to feel a nice stretch. Let's come onto our hands and knees and engage our core. Now we're going to imagine rolling down and back up our spine, starting by lowering our head and raising our shoulders, and then tucking our hips. Then we're going to reverse it by raising our hips, lowering our chest, and then raising our head. Doesn't that one feel so good? Let me know in the comments below how you feel after doing these exercises. And of course, check out all my follow along workouts on this channel. While you're here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Take care, everyone. I will see you all again soon.